Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a really long time since I posted a video, I know, but I'm back and I'm doing a first impression on DevaCurl's Super Stretch Coconut Curl Elongator. This has been one of the most talked about products in the natural hair community, so I'm very curious to see how this performs on my hair texture. So if you guys are interested to see how it applies on my hair and my thoughts on it, just keep on watching. Alright guys, so first start off with really wet hair. I have my spray bottle right here just in case I need to re-wet my hair, and then I have the product right here. Now this product is supposed to define and control, so we'll see. You know, I love a good hold, and I believe this product does have a little hold in it. I do have long hair, so let's see how it stretches out my long curly hair. So first I'm going to part my hair. I always just part it halfway and then I split it again. The reason I do this is so I can make sure I have product all over my hair and I don't miss any spots. And then flip your hair over if you have long hair. Okay, so first you're going to detangle your hair. Make sure it's wet, because I don't know how this product is going to apply. Let's see if it has a really good slip or not. Like I said before, this is a first impression, so I've never used this product before. This is going to be the first time on camera. Just wet my hair a little bit more. Okay. It smells really good, like almost all DevaCurl products. It smells nice. All right. Let's see the consistency of it. I'm just getting a little bit. It is very, very thick cream. And it makes sense, you know, it's supposed to stretch out your curls, so let's break it in. It does have a very nice slip, but I don't want to use too much of this product because it is heavy. But I do want to make sure all my curls, my hair is coated with this product because I want the most definition and minimal frizz. It feels really nice when you apply it. It has really, really great slip. So that's how I know my curls will define very nicely. It smells so good, guys. Just getting a little bit more. So far, I am loving the way this is applying. It's really nice. Look how my curls are clumping together. Just make sure you apply it everywhere. You don't miss any spots. Wow, look at this. My curls are forming very nicely. Very, very nice. See this? So far, so good, guys. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is just apply it, do the same thing all over my hair. once you are satisfied on how your hair looks with the product on, like I said, I was just defining some of these curls to reduce frizz and just get the most definition I could possibly get. Remember, I am only using this one product alone. I usually always use a gel every time I use a cream, but I really wanted to see how this product performed all on its own, because it does claim to have some control. So we'll see once my hair is dry. So yeah, once your hair looks the way you want it to look, what I do is I let it air dry for at least 30 minutes. That way the curls can set. Usually I don't like to go right away and diffuse because my curls, like super wet curls, are so delicate. You don't want to mess up the curl pattern. And yeah, and after 30 minutes of air drying, I will start diffusing my hair. So I'm not going to show how I diffuse my hair because you guys have seen that already. So once I diffuse, I will come back and show you guys my results, my final results. Okay. Alright guys, so my hair is almost 100% dry. It's pretty much dry, and these are my final results. As you can see, I still have volume, but my hair does look a little bit more elongated, which I really enjoy because I still have the volume, but my hair looks a little bit longer. My hair does have a slight hold, but it's a very soft hold, which I'm surprised. For a cream, it does have a little bit of control that it did claim. It feels very airy and soft. It smells amazing, of course. It's shiny, so I'm really my first impression of this product is really good. I can't wait to pair this with an actual gel so I can have more control, because I do see a little bit of frizz going on because obviously I didn't use a gel, and for my hair type I always need to add a gel to control more of that frizz. So I'm probably going to pair this with one of my favorite gels. I do mention some of my favorite gels on my IGTV stories on Instagram, so you guys can check that out. But yeah, so far my hair looks great. I love it. I can't wait to see how my hair looks tomorrow, because I always want to see how a product performs on the second or third day hair. Well, like I said, this product will probably work better for me with the gel, because I do feel like even though it does have a slight hold, it probably won't hold up for my second or third day hair. I'm just being real. It probably won't. But as far as this wash and go, I am loving the way my hair looks. It looks great. It still has volume, as you can see, but it looks a little bit stretched out. I can definitely see a little bit of a difference. And I believe it would have been more stretched out if I would have let my hair air dry instead of diffusing, because diffusing actually, creates a little bit of shrinkage, in my opinion. So yeah, so these are my final results. I hope you guys like it and found this tutorial helpful. Let me know if you guys have any questions, of course, and I will see you in my next video.